Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Lawnmower Detective, and today's video is going to be on this crappy snap. Stay tuned. All right, everybody. As you can see, today's video is going to be on this here crappy snapper, and let me tell you what, this thing is from 1986 and it is a rough one. However, it's like a nice one because it's got the push to start, and as you can see, it's from 1986. Yep, she's a rough one. I'll give you the walk around. Electric start. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So it had a E3 spark plug in it. That thing looks terrible. Those are junk, by the way. But here's the scenario. Came in with a no start condition. No spark. It would turn over, but no spark. So I went through all of the original issues. So we checked fuel, right? Checked the fuel. It's got plenty of fuel. I also went ahead and checked this. If you don't know that, on these snappers, it's got that little vent that you close for when you stand it up. The fuel doesn't leak out, because that's what these bars are for here. You can stand this thing on its hind end to work underneath of it, because otherwise you can't get underneath of there. All right, so check the oil, check the fuel, check for spark, put that new spark plug in there, gap the coil, still no spark. Tried and tried and tried everything I could. So much so that I ran the battery down and I had to charge it off the jumper pack. So I was sitting here scratching my head. I couldn't figure it out. I ultimately ended up cleaning the carburetor, but it's very important to pay attention. And in my line of work, we have a saying, attention to detail. Keep your head on a swivel and pay attention to detail. So after fighting this thing for about 45 minutes, I looked up and I saw this. So I did this. And it fired right up. So don't forget to check for all your switches and your safety switches and things like that. Make sure the blades aren't engaged, and make sure, if your lawnmower has a safety switch on the seat, make sure you put something in the seat to hold it down or strap the seat down. But anyway, silly me, fought all that for no reason, just because of this. What an idiot. But anyway, until next time, you all take care of each other, and don't forget, it's donut time.
It has been a pleasure having you all here. Please don't forget to give this video a like, and please subscribe. Last but not least, click the notification bell so you will know when new videos are posted. Thanks to all of you for your support.